Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to add layer, correct way to add vector layer and raster layer. If you want to add any layer, raster and vector, so listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. So let's start. Here is our QGIS. After QGIS we go to layer and we go to add layer, and if you want to add vector layer, we click here vector layer and we select here your path, vector layer path. Here is vector layer path and we select it. After select we open and add, close it. Our vector layer is added. If you want to modify, so you go to toggle editing, we click here and we select here polygon and you modify as per your requirement and draw a new polygon as per your shape. You right click for end and OK. Our polygon is created. If you want to save it, here is save layer, we click here, our layer is saved. If you want to add raster layer, we go to again layer and add layer, add raster layer, we click here and we select here path. Here is our image, we select it and open and add, close. We right click and zoom layer. Here is our image. Image is added successfully by using. If you want to have any other format, you go to layer, add layer. Here is many format. If you want to other format, you select here and you add as per your requirement. So our process successfully completed. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video. Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to add ring, how to delete ring and how to fill ring. If you want to fill a gap up space of your project, so it is very important. So listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. So let's start. Here is our polygon and we add ring. For add ring we go to editor and go to edit geometry and we select here add ring and we create here ring as per our requirement, and last we right click, our ring is created. If you want to delete ring, this ring, you go to again editor and go to edit geometry and we select here delete ring. After it we click to ring, our ring is deleted. If you want to fill ring, for fill ring, first we create a ring, we go to editor and add ring, we right click. After add ring we fill it. For fill we go to editor and edit geometry and select here fill ring and we start editing to outer and last we right click and OK. our ring is fill up, and if you want to modify in one polygon same as previous, so you select it both ring, and after it we go to editor and edit geometry, and we select here merge selected feature, then OK. Our feature is merge our ring area filled. So our process is complete: add ring, delete ring and fill ring. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. Thank you for watching video.